Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 33 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, leather package, navigation system, sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.